Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my video. In this video I'll be showing you how I revamped this hair. But before then, I have a story to tell you. So I got this call from a client asking me how much will I revamp her hair, and when I discussed the price, she screamed and said, that's too expensive. The last place I did it was 2,000 naira. And I said, 2,000 naira? 2,000 naira, they even cheated you. What they revamp hair now is 800 naira. And I asked myself, this woman seems like she's not in this country. Abi she just they come back. Because how person where they this country no know how things increase for price. I had to ask her, Madam, are you just coming back or you have been in this country? And she said, even if I'm not around, is it not just shampoo and conditioner you just use and just wash the hair? I say, Madam, that place you wash it, is it just conditioner and shampoo they just use? She said, it's just so nice, not just do it fast. I say, Madam, go again. Yes, it's conditioner and shampoo. And she said, no, I'm not joking. And she brought the hairs to me and said, please now, tell me the main price. How much can you revamp this hair for me? And I still stood and I told her the same price. Then she said, I can call the guy for you and you will hear what he has to say. So she called this guy and said, Ima, how much will you revamp this hair for me, the last price? And Ima said, Mama, I can do the hair for you 10,000, but because of you, how many is the wig? And she told her how many the wig is. And he said, I can do it each 8,000 naira for you. And she told Ima, 8,000 naira bukwa gebaho. Okwa so saisi means it's just to wash hair that is 8,000 naira. Ima leave it. Ima half a year. So we concluded in the price that I was going to revamp the hair for her, and I agreed. We all agreed. So guys, that's all about the story. Please guys, it's not just about wearing original hairs, nice wigs. Please revamp your wigs. Dirty wigs can cause headaches and skin irritation, especially on your face. And make sure they use good products when revamping the hair, not the ones that will put ajeguleje shampoo and okuma on your wigs. So people, thanks for watching my video. Please do well to follow, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.